Hi everybody, it's David Lee of Vital Health. Just wanted to, for all my challengers, my clients, my friends, just want to give you a little tidbit on one of the fruit mixtures that I do once in a while as a treat is with my fruit. So today I've got weighed out about 100 grams of fresh blueberries from Farm Boys, and I've got another, I guess, roughly 60 grams of strawberries in my bowl here. Okay, so I'm going to put blueberries on top of the strawberries. Those of you who are tracking, I'm eating about 175 grams of fruit. Okay, that's, might be kind of high in carbs, but if you're working out a lot and you're like, I'm going to run today, you're going to burn it off. Okay, and with that, what I do is I get this thing called ricotta cheese. So this item, it's not cottage cheese, it's called ricotta cheese, and it's President's Choice at Loblaws at 5% meat fat. Actually, this is 4% meat fat, which is less than the normal ricotta cheese, which is like 20% or 10%. Okay? But this is the real cottage cheese, folks. This is what people make the lasagna with. So, and I put a scoop of this. I'm going to put 2 heaping tablespoons of my ricotta cheese on top of the fruit. Okay? I'm just going to put it back in the fridge because it'll go bad. Then what I do is I add, this is my fresh granola that I get at Breads and Sons Bakery on Bank in Gloucester. You should check them out. Amazing. They make it every week, every couple of weeks. It's roasted with almonds and raisins and pumpkin seeds, and it's just amazing. It's low sugar. They sweeten it with just honey. So what I do is I add a tablespoon. That's it. Right? So this is where it's all portion control, right? So, but my desire to have a little bit of sugar, something sweet in the morning, is fulfilled. Then what I do is I add just a teaspoon, because it really goes good with this, by the way. The ricotta cheese, it's kind of like yogurt, right? I add just a teaspoon to the ricotta cheese and to the fruit. So I just add a teaspoon of pure maple syrup, which I measure out, and I pour it on top of my, I don't want to waste it, so I'm going to wipe. Man, that tastes good. So here it is, folks. And I sprinkle a little bit of cinnamon. Cinnamon's good for you. Helps with sugar levels, sugar control levels in your insulin. So there you go, folks. Here is my fresh fruit cup or bowl in the mornings that I have, with 2 heaping tablespoons of ricotta cheese, low fat, President's Choice, with a tablespoon of my homemade granola and a sprinkle of cinnamon on top and a teaspoon of pure maple syrup. Have an awesome day, everybody.